Welcome, viewers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Creating vibrant strawberry drawings is a delightful artistic venture. Start by sketching the basic strawberry shape with gentle curves and a cute stem. Experiment with various shades of red to capture of the fruit. Don't forget the tiny seeds. They add texture and detail to your drawing. Consider adding a playful touch by incorporating smiling face on the strawberries. Use a blend of light and shadow to give your drawing a 3D effect and make it pop on camera. Share tips on how to achieve realistic highlights on the strawberries for a glossy finish. Showcase different drawing techniques such as cross hatching or splitting to add depth. Explore using colored pencils, markers, or digital tools to bring your strawberry vision to life. Engage your audience by encouraging them to share their strawberry drawings in the comments. Create a time lapse video to demonstrate the step by step process of drawing a strawberry. Explain how to tackle challenges like capturing the unique texture of a strawberry. Collaborate with other artists for a fresh perspective on strawberry themed drawings. Encourage beginners by breaking down the drawing process into simple, manageable steps. Discuss the symbolism of strawberries in different cultures and art movements. Experiment with different art styles from realistic to abstract. Share your favorite strawberry themed art supplies and tools with your viewers. Collaborate with a musician to add a captivating soundtrack to your strawberry drawing videos. Dive into the science of color theory and how it enhances the visual appeal of your drawings. Organize drawing challenges or contests with your audience. Create it around strawberries. Thanks for watching.